welcome to my channel, and let's dive in with this secret AI website tutorial. So number one is 10-minute email. As the name suggests, you only have this email address for 10 minutes. So to access this website, head over to the link, then select the first link you're starting with. Also, you also translate your website to your language. Alright, now this tool comes in handy when you need an email address for subscription purposes or any other purpose where you require an email address, and this email address will self-destruct in 10 minutes. As you can see here, it has a timer for 10 minutes. So all you have to do is just head over here and select copy email. Then you go to copy to your keyboard. Then you can paste it anywhere, and you have this free email for just 10 minutes. And also to start this timer all over again, just select give me 10 more minutes. Now we're going to refresh the new 10 more minutes. Number 2 on our list is fake name generator. So to access this website, click on the link below this video. Select this first link you are starting from. This tool comes in handy for those times when you need a whole new identity. So you just go on here, select your gender, choose your name set, and also select your country. Once I done making changes, hit generate. Now you are going to see a whole new profile created by your specifications. Now you can check out this site if you want to change your identity, and always remember it's just for fun purposes. Number 3 tool on our list is called Teen Adventure Machine. So head over to their website and select the first thing you're starting off. This amazing site lets you create electronic data just a few clicks. First, you want to click on the blue ones, then select You can also record this bit using Audacity on your laptop. Number 4 on the list is called Camel. If you regularly shop on Amazon, then you might have heard of these sites. This site shows you the price history of anything on Amazon. If you also sign up, it can also send you alert when there's a price drop on any Amazon product, and it's really simple. So head over to the website. Now you can enter a keyword up here. Also, you can track the product using an Amazon URL. So let's see how to do that. Head over to the Amazon product page of the price you want to track. So I'm cutting this microphone here from Amazon. Then I'll copy the link. Now paste it here and hit enter. And now you can see it has shown up the price currently and the price when it's going to drop, and other things we need to know about the product in which we didn't see on the Amazon official website. So this is a good site to check out if you want to make sure you are getting the best deal on any Amazon product. The 5th tool is called Archetyper. If you want to play a prank on your friend to make them think you are some kind of super hacker, this amazing website will help you do just that. So check out the site in the future box. Then once text opens, just hit any key on your keyboard and this site will show predefined fonts. Also, a super trick is for you to just hold on the Alt button key, not hold on the Alt button key on your keyboard, and going to show a pop-up message which says access granted. Now, people will think you're some kind of hacker genius and an hacker pro. Now, number 6 tool is a really helpful tool called Down for Everyone or Just Me. Select your website. Sometimes when you cannot connect to your website, you kind of wonder if it's just you or it is for everyone else. So this site lets you check out the URL and connect to the server and check if the site is available or it's just you having issues connecting to the site. So once you're in the dashboard, at this search box, select the URL you want to examine. We'll check Netflix, hit enter. Now it says here Netflix is not down. If I can see, Netflix is off. So it shows you if you are the only one having trouble connecting to the Netflix server or Netflix server is totally down for some 30 minutes or as long as you're going to take them. Number 7 tool is called Account Killer. This site shows you how to close any social media account forever. So just click on the website to access this dashboard, which I am on now. So if you want to shut down any account, let's say you want to cancel your WhatsApp account, just select it. Now to show you some steps in which you have to follow to successfully delete any of your social media accounts forever. Number 8 tool, which is the last tool for this tutorial, is called a good movie to watch. If you spend time trying to find a good movie to watch, this site might be able to help you out. So it's really simple. From their home page, just click on Random. And it will show you some interesting movies you to try out. It will also show you the streaming platform the film is hosted on, and also the review or trailer of any of the film you are going to watch. And also it also have streaming platform recommendations from Netflix to Prime Video to other streaming platforms out there. So to look for any movies on these platforms, select it. Now you're going to only bring out movies posted on Netflix platform in which you should try out. So check this website and let me know which of the two you love best in this tutorial. And also all the links for these AI tools are in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know if there are some amazing websites I have not mentioned in this video. If you are also new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in my next one. Bye.